we were extremely excited to let my medical team know that he was born. Hi, honey. They all have known that we have wanted to have a family, and so to be at this point has just been a miracle, really.
When Sherry Finstad looks down at her son, Isaac, in her arms, she says it amazes her.
There were times that I thought we would never be at this point.
Sherry has epilepsy and up until a few years ago was suffering from seizures that couldn't be controlled with medication.
With epilepsy, you know, it can take so much from you.
In 2013, as her seizures became worse and more frequent, Sherry lost some of her independence.
Eventually, I had to quit driving, and in doing so, it actually impacted my work.
There were even times she thought she'd never be able to be a mom.
Which was a dream I had had ever since I was, you know, a girl.
Sherry underwent a brain mapping procedure at Mayo Clinic to determine if she would be a candidate for epilepsy surgery.
I was with Sherry through that evaluation, and a little disappointing because we found that she wasn't a candidate for epilepsy surgery.
While surgery wasn't an option, Sherry was a candidate for a new device that helps control seizures using tiny electrical pulses, sort of like a pacemaker for the brain.
There we go. That allows us to do two things we weren't able to do before. Stimulate thalamus and hippocampus bilaterally, and sense, record from the brain so that we actually capture her seizures, be able to use that information to refine, better inform how we adjust the therapy.
The number of seizures started going down pretty quick.
Once her seizures were under better control with the brain stimulation, Sherry talked to her care team about her desire to become a mother.
We all sat down and put together a strategy for Sherry that how can we pull her medications back and give her the best chance of a successful pregnancy. And the neurostimulation had a lot to do with that because her seizures were under such good control.
In February of 2021, baby Isaac was born.
It's been a great blessing.
We love these examples because it, of course, motivates us all, and it's why we do it.
Isaac's first 4th of July.
Sherry's seizures aren't completely gone. She still has about one per month in her sleep.
Yes.
And she'll continue to see her neurologists for follow-ups and adjustments.
I joke around with my doctors now that I'm their boring patient. Like when I come here, I'm like, hey, I'm the boring patient now.
For the Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Dee Dee Stephen.